Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shataria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. So today's video is being sponsored by Luvme. Luvme was kind enough to send me over this bob wig with these blonde highlights. So if y'all are interested in learning more about this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, so before I show you guys me putting the wig on, I do want to show you everything that Luvme sent over inside the box. So of course, inside the box you have the wig. They also included this mesh bag that I thought was nice. This is what you can use to store your wig in once you're finished wearing it. They also included a rat tail comb. They sent over 2 edge bands, baby, not 1 but 2. They also included this wig cap. I think it's very helpful. Some people use it, some people don't. I didn't actually use it in this video. They also sent over these little stickers. This is what you can use to name the wig. So you can put that it's a bob with blonde streaks. And then of course, this is what the wig looks like. Baby, it's a C-part wig, and it also comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. It also has the straps in the back and the adjustable band. I wanted to show you guys a close-up of the wig so that y'all can actually see its true texture as well as the color of the wigs. You do see the blonde streaks, which I absolutely love. I think they are beautiful against my skin tone. To make this wig look as natural as possible, and it does already look natural, but you know, just to make sure it blends well, I went in with my foundation powder and I just put the powder on the lace. This is a C-part wig, so it wasn't, you know, much lace, so I just went ahead and put it where the parting is at, and that's what it looks like. So if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and tell you, I do not know much about wigs, but I am doing this thing where I'm reviewing wigs that are easy to apply. So this is Luvme, this is Luvme Casual Blonde Highlight Curly Minimalist HD Lace Glueless C-part Short Wig 100% Human Hair. Lord, that's a long title. But what got me is the fact that they said that this is a minimalist wig, and baby, it really truly is. So y'all see me putting the wig on, like it looks good already. Like look at it. Just if you didn't imagine that lace was right there, like you can really walk out the door with the wig. Now they did say that it's glueless, so I could just wear it without, you know, gluing it down. But you know, I want to be a little extra and make it seem like I knew what I was doing. So before this scene, I didn't show it, but I went in with some Gots to Be glue, the gel, and I kind of put it around the edge or whatever, and dried it on the cool setting. But it wasn't. It maybe my gel was old, child. It just wasn't tacky at all. It was like I put water on my forehead. So I went in with my Eben adhesive spray. That's what y'all see me spraying right there, child, and spray was going everywhere, and I was nervous, but you know, I got the little dryer and I dried it on the cool setting, and now y'all see me just trying to place the wig down. Again, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just copying the girls that I be seeing on YouTube, okay? Because I'm sure they probably learned from YouTube University as well, just like me. So I pulled my dryer back out. I made sure that I put it on the cold setting. I don't know why I had it up on high, baby. I was finna blow my eyelashes off, baby. Hair was going everywhere. But you know, eventually I went ahead and turned it down. And then after I went ahead and dried the glue, I went ahead and put my edge band on. Look at me looking like I know what I'm doing. Girl, I'm so proud of you. So I waited about 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and took my little edge band off, and then at this point I realized, okay, let me just brush the hair back, because I be seeing the girls do this to make sure that the hair is not sticking to the glue. So that's what I'm doing here. Now it's time for me to cut this lace. Now y'all ain't gonna lie, I was nervous about this because whoo, child, this is the hard part, because it's like normally whenever I used to play with wigs, I used to cut too much of the lace off, and then the other time I played with the wig, I left too much of the lace on. So child, I can't never find a happy medium. So whatever, y'all. I think I kind of left too much lace on this go around too. But you know, y'all couldn't tell, baby. I blended it in real good. Since I used the razor to cut the lace, I went in with my Eben spray again to kind of lay the little lace that's kind of rolling up. I went in there to kind of lay it down. I hope that made sense. Child, I'm just trying to make everything blend, honey. Just trying to make it blend. So I went ahead and pulled my dryer back out, and I made sure I had it on the cool setting, and I also didn't have that bad boy on high. So yeah, I'm just drying it to get it tacky. Well, not tacky. I actually dried it, and then I went in with my edge band and tied that around. Ooh, it slipped right there, but I ended up putting it on right, y'all. And now we're gonna go ahead with styling the hair. Now, to me, the hair looks good. Y'all know I like volume. I love big hair. The bigger the better. So looking at the hair now, I went ahead and combed it out, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm in love. Like, what? Look at it, y'all. This hair, when I tell y'all, this hair feels so good. It feels so much like my natural texture. Like, I'm not lying. It feels just like my natural texture. I wish my natural hair was this thick. Baby, look at that. Too cute. It almost made me want to put streaks in my real hair, but So I went ahead and pulled out my water bottle because I decided, I'm sure y'all don't want me to just slap this wig on and be done. I kind of want to play with it. I want y'all to see what the hair look like when it's wet and all that good stuff. So I went ahead and wet it. I'm going in with my mousse. It's my curling mousse because I do want to keep the curls or whatever. So I went in with my mousse and, you know, just put it in my hair, and I did it in sections because I kind of wanted y'all to see what the hair looks like wet versus what it looks like in its natural state, fresh out the box. So yeah, that's why I kind of did it in sections. So I'm gonna quit talking and let y'all, you know, watch me do this. But look, y'all see, girl, this is some good hair. Y'all better quit playing. This is some bum hair. All right, y'all, so now it's time for me to take the edge band off, and baby, I was so nervous because whenever I used to play in wigs, it never used to turn out right, but I was shocked. It looked real good to me, minus the fact that I had, you know, the glue everywhere and you could see it. But I went ahead and got some alcohol, and I kind of carefully wiped the glue off my skin, trying not to get it on the lace. Like I said, I think I left a little bit too much. I think I left a little bit, a little bit. I think I left too much lace on this wig, but I'm okay with it. It don't bother me, child. But I just try not to wipe the actual lace and just get the excess glue off my skin. That was my whole point with this. And of course, I'm wiping makeup off, so it look a little cray-cray. But, you know, ain't nothing some makeup can't fix. So yeah, I'm just going back in with my foundation. My liquid foundation, just, you know, applying the makeup back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set it with a powder, and baby, it's gonna look like it's supposed to look. So before I reveal the finished look to you guys, I do want to tell y'all that the details of this wig and any discount code that I may have will be listed in the description box below. All the details will be below, including the link to the wig, honey. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging. Everything will be in the description box, honey. I'll also put it in the comment section for y'all as well, in case y'all too lazy to look at the description box. I got y'all, because I be lazy like that too. But look at the finished look. Do y'all see that? Baby, in love. So thank you again, Love Me, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this hair. I hope you guys purchase it because y'all would love it too. Bam! Don't play with me. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and if y'all would like to see more reviews from wig companies, then let me know in the comment section.